Hey, Mike, leave it alone. Let that guy be whoever that guy wants to be.
I know, I'm gonna leave him alone. I ain't gonna do nothing to the man.
Every one of you saw.
You just sit on the table for Oh, wait until the cops show up. I'm gonna tell him that he stood on my guest cousin. I'll tell him that he stood on my cousin.
What's wrong, Smalls?
Hey, has anyone seen the movie Despicable Me?
Yeah, it's called cop watching, buddy.
I know it's really fucking random, but it's gonna make sense. Charles,
What? I didn't do anything. I don't even know you.
You stood on it.
That's the wrong view. That's the wrong person.
I don't even know you, dude. I've never seen you before in my life. Hey, move your bag over, would you? Hey, how you doing?
I'm fine. I got something here for you.
Okay.
Where the fuck's mine? You want to call the police? I'll be using the police.
I'm You ain't touch.
This is why you need to listen to people who are
Touch.
God bless your day.
Boneless, skinless fat. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And sunflower. Hey, cookie lady.
What's up?
How you doing, darling?
Pretty good. How you doing?
I'm good. How's that young in the years?
Stella?
Yeah. Don't say that. Come on, man. Everybody's at school?
90%
No, it's 5th grade. Oh.
5th graders. Well, I mean, they do.
Do you want any cookies?
Look at Shrek. They already pornography them.
I know. We'll see.
This guy's a nut.
This guy here?
Yeah, he just come walking up to me and goes, "Do you remember me?" I'm like, no, not really. Next thing I know, he's on the fucking phone calling the police and accusing me of running over and beating him up or some crap. I don't know what he... Being back behind that bush. That guy. He's on the phone to him apparently now. I don't know. Don't care. Yeah. I don't know who he is. He just come walking up to me out of nowhere. Asked me if I known him. I said no. Next thing I know, he's on the phone calling the police. Like, what the fuck? Hey, youngin, how you doing?
I will give them something to call the cops on. I don't fucking like that shit. I'm not even having a bad one. I haven't even had a cup of coffee yet, motherfucker. You got no.
Here, you want some?
Give me some lip on that.
Oh shit.
Hey.
Get him, Red.
Get him.
Get him, Red. That's right.
Oh, come on, Mike. I appreciate it.
Right?
Yeah,
He just
I
touched
appreciate
me.
it. I appreciate it, but let's not do that, okay? Come on over here and let's keep it peace. 5-0 roll up. We just say, hey, this is the deal. This guy walked up and started running his mouth and getting in everybody's
See that?
face.
Did you see that? You just put hands on me. That's assault.
Wait, did he?
Yeah.
What did he do? I didn't see that.
Full time.
You can smell bad blood. That's awesome.
Apparently the cops are not too worried about because
Right.
if there's an emergency, they'd be here
Well,
already.
they've been here like 5 minutes. 10
Yeah.
minutes ago.
They know this guy's a wing nut.
He's a mow wrong.
And especially when the cops roll up here and they see it's me that he's pointing fingers at, they're gonna be, oh hell no,
Oh,
bullshit.
yeah.
If this dude did anything to you, you wouldn't be on the phone. Karen. Anyway. You all right, youngin? You look like you're about to fall down and break out and cry. Cry me a river. We need fish. You all right, Leon? Oh, here comes 5-0 now.
Oh, here they go. Oh, here they come.
Oh, that's fire department. That's going someplace else. I have no idea what this man is.
Oh, no. It was pretty good.
Huh?
Only pretty shows. Not for you.
If he asked me what the fuck happened, I'll tell him that he's tripping and fucking other than that, I'm not gonna go talk about it.
Yeah, my uncle walked by with his dog and he shut it.
Now he's standing in the middle of the road over there? What a ding dong.
He's putting on lines right now. He's like having a fake cell phone.
Yeah, because the cop drove right by.
I know, exactly.
Oh, he's coming back.
Oh, here he comes. The other way.
Mike, come on up here. Come on up here, Mike. Just leave it alone. Let him run his gabber.
Yeah, let him tell his little puppy face
Well, I'm not
story.
supposed to be up here with the dog.
No, as long as the dog's on leash, you can be up here with the dog. As long as the dog's on leash.
Wait. No.
He's lying.
Hey, leave it alone. You'll get your chance. He'll come up here. They will come up here. And here comes two more. This is the newbie crew.
Liar,
Come here, Willen.
liar, liar. Okay, I'll stop. I was here the whole time.
No. He just walked up and started pointing fingers and calling you guys.
Hang on, Mike. I'll talk to you.
Okay.
So if you get an observation, we'll do it.
I won't believe, man.
This is today. What was it sent to you today? You know what he's talking about? So here at the transit plaza, you approach, you started saying you're the one that. I mean, you've never seen it before? I've never seen it before.
And I go to walk away, but he showed me in the middle of the street. You know, and I walked home and he goes, you need to put your
How many times did he show you?
I'm saying that.
Where did he show you on the phone?
I'm trying to walk by. I'm not sitting.
Michael, this one wants to start talking. What your last name is it now? Alright, so he pushed you 4 times in the chest, you kept trying to walk away, and then what?
Because I left, I just
So, as far as you know, you've never seen the guy before, you didn't have an altercation with him a couple days ago or anything?
No,
Are you hurt? You need an ambulance for anything? Okay.
I don't know this man at all.
Seen him before? 'Cause now
He
you're-
came
you're
off
alive.
the bus. I don't know which bus it was. He came off the bus, came directly at me, asked me if I remembered him. I said, I don't know you. Next thing I know, he goes down the ramp and he's on the phone to you. That's all I know. After that, my camera went on.
So he asked you, do you remember me?
And I said, I don't know you. I was sitting there eating a scone and a cup of coffee, drinking coffee. And I said, I don't know you. And then he walked down the ramp and called you guys. That's all I know. And he's been talking to you on the phone, and then he got into and started yanking on Mike over there, and I pulled him away.
Michael?
It happened right over there.
But did you see him push Michael?
I didn't catch him pushing Michael. I saw the altercation. I pulled Mike away.
Okay.
Because the dog went after him. The dog's only going to go after him if he did something. So that means he had to have done something aggressive to make that dog react in an aggressive manner, in a defensive manner. Get where I'm going?
Yeah, no, I got you.
So, and that's why I went over and I pulled Michael over. Kaylee and Michael tried to tell him, look, you got the wrong guy. We don't know what you're talking about. He didn't want to listen. He stayed on phone pointing fingers. I didn't say anything to him after that.
Okay. All right. Jog my memory. I don't remember what your name is. I know
We've never been introduced, Mr. Jenkins.
We talked in the lobby of the police department, but it's been many months.
Rusty?
Yeah, that's me.
Rusty, okay.
I
With Jake.
Yeah,
It'd be just
Jake.
Terric. Tango Edward, Romeo, India, Charlie.
Say it again. Terric, that's right.
Yes, sir.
2 R's?
Yes, sir.
T-A-R-R.
T-E.
I'm sorry.
Tango Edward.
T-E-R-R.
I-C.
I see. What's your last name, Terric?
I don't have one.
You don't have a last name?
No, sir. I have a family's name, but I don't have a last name.
Okay, can I have your family's name?
Of the family. Of the family.
Uh-huh.
Legal definition defining that I'm separated as the family name is public, not private. My first name is private, though.
Terric.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Okay, let me go try to figure out what's going on with this dude, because
I don't know him.
Okay, thank you for your help.
You have a good day, Mr. Rusty. I don't know this guy. I don't know you. I don't know you.
Bullshit.
I don't know. I've never seen him before. He came off the bus, made a beeline straight at me. No reason. I didn't do anything. I was sitting there eating a scone and drinking a cup of coffee. Came beeline straight to me. Asked me if I remember. I was like, no. First thing he does is look at me and says term suspect. I'm like, what the heck? You gotta
Sure. Yeah, you can look at it.
Don't leave quite yet, alright?
Yeah, that's fine. Just don't leave, man. Okay? Talk to you about this. We're trying to figure out, we're trying to piece together what happened. Not just today. We've been saying something about a couple of days ago, and I don't know what it's. I've never seen it before. What's that? Well, that's cool. So, just want your cigarette. They'll come talk to you just a minute, okay?
Okay. We can smoke up there.
So Michael's your uncle?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Need me to hold him? Hey, Ren. Come on. Come here. Come here, Ren. Hey, Ren. Come on, buddy. Hey, Ren. Ren.
You want to take where you want me to go with? You want to go? Thank you, though.
Jet? Okay, let me move this. Okay. I know this is butt. It's kind of dead. Yeah. Oh.
Привет. I have no idea. Nutcase over here just came up and started pointing fingers at people.
Ja, kaj čau?
Jaz grem.
Ja, kako če me ne pusti, pa je, to mi je edini bus.
Pa če, lej, 5 minut se z mano pogovarjaš. V tem času
Ne,
bi
lej,
ti dvignala.
ne bi to, da bi imel lejte za radio snemat. Naprimer, da prije, a me lahko do Saline pol?
Kaj do
Pol
Saline?
ure je stran.
Pa ne bom te komu odgovarjal.
Ja, kaj pa če potem je edini bus do hostla, če ne, pol noben tam ne more delati. Lepo,
Sorry,
isto
no.
ne zastopam, kako lahko. Lej, naprimer, da
Lej, a ti misliš, da te bo folk te prosil? Ves folk, jaz ti pomagam, da te vodim to. A me daš še tja, a me daš še tja, a me daš še tja, zdaj pa hočeš, da ti še denar dam za busa. Kako denar? Ja, no, samo... Ja, prije. Glej, samo... Pelem te vedno... Glej,
here we go.
Hey, Terric, so they're the ones investigating this. So this is Officer Dooley and Officer Hill. I'm going to leave, but if you could tell them everything you told me, I appreciate it. I appreciate your help today. All right,
Yeah.
thanks.
Yeah, you're not under arrest or anything like that. You know your rights, right? So she's gonna ask.
I know you need a warrant and a signed affidavit or a penalty of perjury.
See? You're knowledgeable. I know, we've talked before. You're knowledgeable on the law, right?
Yes,
so
ma'am.
this is more so just to get some information about the confrontation that happened 2 days ago?
I have no idea what this man is talking about.
Okay, so you don't remember any fight that happened 2 days ago?
Ma'am, you will go up to the library. You'll find out I'm at the library learning law.
All right. Well,
I'm here there, behind the sheriff department at the legal library.
Okay. All right. And this, I've never met this other guy that you saw us talking to. I've never met him before. That was my first time ever talking to him. I'm familiar with you, obviously, from very few contacts here and in between. Never talked to him before, so I don't really know what his issue. Maybe he's having a bad morning, right? But essentially, he was saying that you were involved in a fight with him 2 days ago and that you punched him in the head.
Okay, well, take him down to the precinct, get a signed affidavit or a penalty of perjury, bring that before your magistrate, get a warrant, come have a conversation with me.
Okay, hold on real quick.
Yes,
the
ma'am.
one thing we do need is we just need to get your name to say that you weren't involved in a fight. Because right
You
now,
don't need my name for that.
right now he's stating that you were a suspect in the case. So we
Okay,
do have
go
right
get a
to
warrant
your
or a
name.
penalty of perjury.
Hold on. All I need is your first name, last name.
I only have
that's
one
it.
name.
What's your
I
name?
only have one name,
What's your name?
and you know that. He just told it to you.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear him.
Ma'am, it's on camera. It's on 4 different cameras, actually. His, Rusty's,
Okay.
yours, and Miss Hill's.
Okay. Can we?
Plus mine.
Can you spell it? I know he said.
Tango, Edward, Romeo, Romeo, India, Charlie.
All right, Terric. What's your last name, Terric?
I don't have a last name.
You don't have a last name?
No.
What's your date of birth?
That's all hearsay information. Third party. Inadmissible in a court of law.
I just want to know what your date of birth is. So
And that's hearsay information. I can't really, was not of a conscientious value to comprehend the date and time. All I can give you is the hearsay information, which I'm not going to do. It's inadmissible in court of law.
I'm not asking for the date and time. I just want to know your date of birth.
Yes, inadmissible in court of law, hearsay information, third party.
Third party. I'm talking to you. You're a first party.
No,
Absolutely.
I may have been there, but I was not of conscious mind. I was not 16.
You were not of conscious mind? Okay.
I was an infant.
Okay.
Do you remember the day you were born, Miss Hill?
You don't have a paper, a birth certificate? You never have seen anything like that?
Well, a birth certificate is a bank notary note that's sold on the New York Stock Exchange, owned by the IMF. I have no access to that trust that is under Kesta-V. I do not have any party to it.
Can I call you Terric? Is that what you go by?
Yeah?
Terric, have you ever had a California identification license? Anything?
Why would I need one of
I'm
those?
just
I am
wondering
not
if you've ever
required or registered, required
You're not
to
forced-
contract
no, you are very right.
with
Yep.
a
You are very right.
legal fictitious
You don't
entity
have-
called
you don't have
the
to have
state.
one. Terric, you don't have to have one. You are
You're
very
right.
I'm just wondering if you ever had one in the past.
No,
No, okay. Have you ever had an ID from any state in the United States at all?
no.
No. Okay. All right.
I am not a United States citizen.
Okay, sir.
I come under what's called 8 USC 1101 821.
All right.
You would come under 822.
Well, I appreciate you talking with me, okay?
Ms.
You have a good
O'Doyle,
day. All right, Terric.
Ms. Hill,
You still asleep? I was early this morning.
anybody want a cranberry scone?
No, I'm good.
It's good for your insides.
Oh, God.